see that vast, empty space? Can you hear the sound of falling water? Water is where we come from. And being close to it brings us closer to the source. The source of natural balance and peace. Only to be found when you leave the city and its rush behind. Where else can you really feel how the time flows? Sit down at the lake and watch the fire and the stars mirrored in the water. And then look up. Join Škoda and the Amazon kitchen and enjoy the wilderness.